Hi, my name is Andrew Tothero, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to properly perform a burpee. A burpee is an exercise used in strength training and as an aerobic exercise. To get the most from a burpee, you need to do them correctly. The basic movement consists of 4 steps. In this video, you will see the 4 distinct steps. The movement for step 1 is to start with your feet together, squat down, and put your hands on the ground just in front of your feet. Step 2 consists of keeping your feet together and jumping back, so you land in a push-up position. Following this for step 3, you must bend your arms and do a single push-up. Step 4, you finish the burpee by jumping where your feet are back in under your body and then leap into the air. When you land, your legs need to be bent slightly in order to repeat the full exercise again. On this next clip, let's take a look at the burpee from another angle. As you can see, I am following all 4 steps correctly when performing my burpee. When performing a burpee correctly, you are placing a significant load on your cardiovascular system so you can get cardio workout without having to run. This exercise also burns many calories. Aside from being a general move for working out, the military also incorporates burpees in their physical training due to its benefit on most of the muscle in your body. On the other hand, burpees, if not performed correctly, can essentially put you at a high risk for injury and not reap any benefits. Here you can see how I have incorrectly performed a burpee. My form was all over the place, resulting in possible injury. The 4 steps were not followed through correctly, my push-up was not in correct form, and my back was not flat. This incorrect form of a burpee can easily be noticed. From these videos, you can see the correct and incorrect way to perform a burpee. Use care when performing burpees in order to gain the maximum benefit they provide.